Solving quadratic equations using graphs and tables. Part 1. First of all, what's a quadratic equation? If you have an equation like this and highest power x is 2, x is to the power of 2, that's called a quadratic equation. Now I have two rules plotting this equation. Rule number 1 is if x squared is a positive number, or there's a positive, there's no negative, your plot is going to be a U-shaped plot. However, if there is a minus sign, or x squared is negative, your plot is going to be upside down U. The second rule, if your plot crosses the x, this is your x-axis and this is your y. If your plot crosses the x-axis, just like this curve, you have two solutions, this point and this point. However, if it doesn't touch the x-axis, there is no solution to this equation. Now, if it barely touches it, just like this, there's only one solution. Well, there's actually two solutions, but they're both the same number, so we call it one solution. Okay, suppose we have this equation, x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals y. First thing we do is set that equal to 0. 0. Because if you have an xy axis, when y is 0, that means this x anywhere within this line. So the easiest way to solve this, we give it the value of x, we give it the 0, 1, and a negative 1. X, y, so I got 1, 0, and minus 1. Okay, if we plug in 1 in this equation, what we got? We got x squared would be 1 plus 5 plus 4, which is 9. Sorry, 9. Okay, so right there. Now, if we put 0 in that equation, we get 0 plus 0 plus 4, which is 4. Now, if we give minus 1, we have 1, minus 1 squared would be 1, plus minus 1x, minus 1 times x plus 4. So we get, I'm sorry, this, let's go back. Okay, minus 1 times 5 plus 4 equals, so 5, 1 and 4 is 5, minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now I put these numbers in Excel. 1, 0, minus 1, 10, 4, 0, and I'll have Excel to plot this for us. I could have done it myself, but this is more neat. Okay, so you go insert, recommended charts. This is good. So here's your plot. -1, 4, 4, 0, and 10, 4, 1. So basically, if you connect these 3 dots, it looks like here. It doesn't draw here. Let's see. It looks like a U like this. So it sounds like it's going to keep on going up. So all we got to do is just decrease the numbers on X, go this way. So we get 9 minus 2 minus 3 and plug in numbers like that. So we got -2 minus 3, and you plug in the numbers just like before. Instead of 1, just with 2. So x squared would be -2 squared plus 5 times -2 plus 4. That's 4 minus 10 plus 4. So the answer is 4 and 4 is 8, minus 10 is -2. So we keep on plugging numbers and solve for it. It's pretty simple. Plug in numbers and just get your calculator out and solve them. Okay, so I plug in the numbers into Excel. Let's see, 1, 0, -1 all the way to -6, and these are the y's. So I just tell it to plot. Insert recommended chart. This is it, and that's your plot. So your answer is -4 and -1. -4 where x is -4, y is 0, or x is -1, y is also 0. These 2 points are your solution to this equation. And that's it. My next video is going to be for a plot that's upside down, U. So take a look at my next video. Thank you.